Hi everyone, I am Marcus Adonte from Psych1T, and today we will be talking about AI and global warming. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. It is basically a program that can learn from sample data and use it for its intended purpose. Train an AI program to detect bad potatoes and separate it from good ones, and it will. AI is already part of our daily lives. We have Siri, Google, recommendation systems, or the For You page on social media platforms, online translators, self-driving technology, and ChatGPT. AI has many benefits. One, in healthcare. Hospitals use AI programs to detect diseases and analyze medical data more efficiently. Number two, education. Students can access online learning tools, tutorials, and personalized learning systems that adjust to their learning pace. Number three, business and industries. Machines can automate repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on more creative and complex things. Number four, environment. Scientists use AI to detect or predict natural disasters, monitor climate patterns, and improve agricultural production. However, there are downsides. Number one is job displacement. Machines never get tired or maybe require maintenance instead, but it's way cheaper to pay one technician than 50 workers. Number two, misinformation. Generative AI can create fake videos, images, or even news. Number three, privacy and security. As I mentioned in the intro, a program that can learn from sample data, and more data makes it more accurate. So where can companies get that much sample data? From us, the consumers. They ask us for usage data and diagnostic data to improve their services. AI can be good or bad, like many other things on Earth. In pop culture, there was a video game in 2018 called Detroit Become Human, set in a world of humans and androids. The game revolves around three android characters, one a maid, the other a police assistant, the other a caregiver. It's a great watch on YouTube. Global warming, 42 degrees Celsius of heat index, maybe above. Global warming is the gradual increase of the Earth's temperature, mainly due to greenhouse gases from human activities like burning fossil fuels, causing pollution and deforestation. What are the effects? Hotter temperatures, which intensify evaporation, which makes not only droughts, but also super typhoons happen more often. The Pixar film, Wall-E, showed us the world full of pollution and waste, which caused humanity to live on a spaceship. Maybe the Earth was beyond saving them, or maybe companies promised people of an outer space paradise, leaving all trash behind and delivering their trash from space back to Earth. One solution is using renewable energy, like solar and wind power, instead of relying too much on coal and oil. Another solution is reducing waste by recycling and reusing materials. Even simple habits like turning off unused lights, conserving water, or using public transportation can help reduce pollution. Planting trees is also important because trees absorb carbon dioxide, one of the greenhouse gases, from the atmosphere. Some countries are also considering nuclear power as an alternative energy source. Nuclear energy produces large amounts of electricity with low carbon emissions. Did you know 1 kilogram of natural uranium makes the same energy as 14,000 kilograms of coal? Interesting. However, people still worry about radioactive waste and nuclear accidents, especially because of disasters shown in documentaries and series like Chernobyl. While these concerns are understandable, critics argue that public fear surrounding nuclear energy is sometimes overly influenced by historical disasters rather than current technological advancements and safety standards. It's 2026, not 1986, people. Solving global warming requires cooperation between governments, companies, and the common people. AI can help humanity, but it also has downsides. While global warming continues to keep us alive. In conclusion, humanity needs to keep it together. There is no time for wars, disputes, and conflicts. These are just distractions that take our attention away from bigger things that threaten humanity itself. The earth was meant to be shared, not destroyed for the profit of a few. That's all from me. If AI ever becomes self-aware after this video, I was never here.